children. So today we are discussing about simple grammar in English. So before you know the parts of speech, we must know about the word and sentence. So word means a group of letters. So here you note down word. Definition: a group of letters makes a word. So simply you say, what is word? A word means a group of letters makes a word. So that means I will give some example. One word example: sword. SWORD. That means here 5 letters are there. SWORD. This is called word. So you know what is the meaning of sword? Sword means the sword, the weapon which used in fighting. It is most useful weapon in the fighting. So next we know sentence. Afterward we must know, before knowing grammar, first of all you know what is word, what is sentence. So here sentence. So I will give some small definition. Sentence: a group of words which makes a complete meaning or sense is called sentence. Here I will show you some examples, so then you understand easily. Sentence examples are: a book is on the table. A book is on the table. So here a group of letters, book, that means 4 letters are there. Is, 2 letters are there. On, 2 letters are there. The, 3 letters are there. Table, 5 letters are there. So these are makes a complete meaning. That means book, where is the book? A book is on the table. This is the sentence. So I am going to Hyderabad. So here also you find out some letters, some words. That means 2 letters are there, am. 6 letters are there, going. 2 letters are there, in, to. Hyderabad, there are 7 letters are there. So these are called sentence. So now you know what is word, what is sentence. Then we can proceed parts of speech. An important role in English grammar. Parts of speech. Parts of speech. Parts of speech. So you know what is parts of speech? So I will give definition. So every topic must be contained a definition. So when you know complete definition, you can understand easily. That's why I am giving parts of speech definition. Words are divided into many groups according to their use is called parts of speech. Parts of speech. So, you know what is parts of speech? Words are divided into many groups according to their use is called parts of speech. So, words are divided. So, when we are talking some words, it divides some groups according to their use. That is called parts of speech. There are how many parts of speech? You know, there are 8 parts of speech. Note down. There are 8 parts of speech. Speech in an English language. There are 8 parts of speech in an English language. They are noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, verb. Number 4, adverb. Number 5, adjective. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, interjection. Interjection. 8, conjunction. Conjunction. These are 8 called parts of speech. No, first of from you see noun. Number 8 are number noun, 1 noun, 2 pronoun, 3 verb, 4 adverb, 5 adjective, 6 preposition, 7 interjection, and 8 last is conjunction. So now we study detail about 8 parts of speech. First parts of speech name is noun. Yes, now we are discussing about parts of speech. So there are 8 in parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection, and conjunction. Now, next class we will continue about detail of parts of speech. We will continue next period noun. What is noun and what kinds of noun? So I will give full details with examples. We will continue. Dear viewers, if you like my lessons, English grammar lessons, please subscribe and share my lessons. Thank you all.